welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with my boyfriend. So, of course, today, what's the name of my dog? Okay, dog.
I don't know your dog.
No,
Your robot dog?
no, Rosita.
Oh,
Rosita is not here today. I have my boyfriend instead, and we'll be talking about different pronunciation that Filipinos say and different from what American says. All right, are you ready? So, number one, ibuprofen.
that would be ibuprofen.
Robitussin.
That would be Robitussin.
Penicillin.
That would be penicillin.
What's that? Aspirin.
A little bit faster, just aspirin.
Mississippi.
That was-
No.
No,
We
that was
called
good.
it, no, Mississippi.
But you said it correct, Mississippi.
Other Filipinos will say Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Okay.
Mississippi.
Wow. Okay.
Mississippi.
Next word is, they will say this as Indiana.
No, Indiana is Indiana. A very good state, Indiana.
And then Dakota.
Dakota,
Wow. Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Chevrolet.
No, Chevrolet.
Sleepers.
Slippers.
Robot.
Robot.
What's that? Analgesic.
I would say we pronounce it analgesic.
Oh, wow. All right. What can you say? All right. See you next time. Bye.